Hey friends, welcome to today's video. In today's video we are talking about drugstore cruelty-free brands. This is something that is so incredibly amazing that I found out about how many drugstore brands are actually cruelty-free. Now, a lot of them will show you that it has the cruelty-free bunny, and a lot of brands do not have this because it does fee that they have to pay to be certified, and there's a process for them to have to go through, meaning that they have to be inspected and so on and so forth. So a lot of brands do not have it, but there are some that do. Wet n Wild has it on their stuff. Wet n Wild has it on their stuff, and NYX has it on their stuff. Milani, I do not believe they don't have it on any of their stuff, but they are cruelty-free brand. Essence is cruelty-free. They do not have the cruelty-free they don't have the cruelty-free stamp, but they are cruelty-free. So I'm going to go through some things that I like from these brands that I can use, and then later on we can talk about maybe in another video doing a full face of cruelty-free drugstore products, and then we will go from there. So first brand I'm going to talk about is Physicians Formula. They have the new healthy foundation. It's amazing foundation and really great for Physicians Formula because they came out with a bunch of shades, and normally when Physicians Formula comes out with foundation, they don't come out with quite very many shades. So this one actually they did, and it's amazing. The next thing is I have a powder. This one's quite loved, and this is the Physicians Formula talc free mineral wear powder. It's a translucent one, and it comes in this blue case, and I've already used quite a bit. I have another one that's been opened in my other room, but this one is a really good powder. And then they have their healthy booster blushes, which are just so cute. So cute. I love them. And this one, they do have come with a mirror and everything, and it's really cute pink packaging. So that is a couple things. There's a lot of things from Physicians Formula that are really great. Their butter bronzer, I have not tried that yet, but I mean, come on, who hasn't said it's an amazing thing? So the next brand I'm going to talk about is e.l.f. So we all know e.l.f. We all know, we've heard about e.l.f. It's pretty amazing. They have quite a big range of things. So the things I'm going to talk about in here are their Prism eyeshadows. These are quite an amazing thing. They're super beautiful. You can pair them with that Meet Matte, or that matte, I think it's Meet Matte palette that they have, and then you'll have the greatest thing, shimmers and mattes, and you can just really go home with that. And then there's this one that's colors. It's super beautiful. So I have the Naked, and I have the Smoke palette. So those here, and then I have their original blushes that they've had since forever. I have 3 here that I'm going to show you. I have Berry Mary, Blushing Rose, and Tickled Pink. Now Tickled Pink has got some damage played onto it, and then this one is rather new, super beautiful. Let me just start pulling these out again. I stopped for a little bit. And then this one. They are just so beautiful. This is this one. And they're super soft too. So color payoff, you ain't gonna have to worry about that. So, and I have this something I've been repurchasing forever and ever and ever. It's the color correcting powder that they make. It's got a yellow, a green, a blue, and a pink. This one's all brand new because they have the other one. It's pretty much all gone. Then I have 2 other brushes. These are the pressed mineral blushes, and then this one is Wanderlust and Copacabana. So these ones are really good. A lot of these are matte, which is if that's what you're looking for, then you're gonna be great with that. And then for lips from e.l.f., I have the Day to Night Duos. I love these. They're so creamy. And the reason I love them is because they're tiny. I don't have to have a lot of product, and it's 2 in 1. So it's kind of you get 2 for 1. And then I also love their I forget, I should have looked this up because I'm like super great at this game. But this is like their heat activated lipsticks that are so beautiful, very moisturizing. I love these. I have them in all their shades. They need to come out with more. What are they doing? But so far, these are the products, lip products that I love. I'm not really super into lip gloss, so I don't really have anything like that to show you. And then I like the e.l.f. eyeliner pencil. It's really a good one. I've liked it since it came out, and you can't go wrong with it, really. If it looks like I'm kind of all over the place, I'm trying to put stuff away as I talk about it because it's kind of all over the place. So the next brand I'm going to talk about is Milani. So we all know about Milani. It's super amazing. They have beautiful eyeshadow palettes. This is the Earthy Elements palette. It's so beautiful. I've used it so many times. They have their beautiful, beautiful blushes, the Luminoso and Fantastical Mauve. The Fantastical Mauve one is like just beautiful to look at. I also have a concealer from them, and it's like the only one I have here to talk about that I actually been liking. When you first get it, you really have to shake it up like really a lot. Come out like kind of runny, but it's got like a sponge applicator, and then it just kind of just comes out. And I like this sponge applicator a lot better than the one that comes on like the Age Rewind. So that one is really nice. And then for some reason I don't feel like they have these out anymore, but they have their Bella shadows, the Bella like cream eyes. I'm not really sure. I have the color Bella Pink, Bella Purple, and Bella Gray. I have more colors, but these are the ones that just kind of came out with all the things I pulled. So that is all of the Milani things that I've been loving. I don't really have a lot of things from Milani because it just seem to gravitate towards like e.l.f. and Wet n Wild. And then also to add on, e.l.f. brushes. They have an amazing brush line. I mean, you're never gonna go, you can always find something you're gonna look for. You can always find something you're looking for within the e.l.f. brush line, so don't be afraid to look there. And then now I'm going to move on to Wet n Wild. So we all know Wet n Wild is amazing. I do not have any of their new shadow palettes that just came out. We all know Wet n Wild shadows are something to check out. You can't go wrong with trying something from Wet n Wild. So I have a highlight because we all know Wet n Wild's killing it with a highlight. This is just the limited edition one with the pink heart. I just thought it'd be fun to show. So this one's really, really pretty. Been wearing it lately. And then I have a pressed powder from them, which I'm actually quite surprised with how this is. It's really finely milled. It's really, really finely milled, and it's not chalky at all. It's like a baked powder. It looks kind of like it. So this is in the shade Goodbye Photo Flashback. So it's like their ones that kind of goes with the Photo Focus foundation. I have that. I've been trying it out a lot more. As I said in the past, the smell is really a big deterrent for me. So I've been trying it. It doesn't look bad on my skin, but the smell just kind of really bothers me. So this is in the shade Warm Light. So that is that. And then I have the Wet n Wild Pro Line Liner. Really something to check out. I've been loving it. I have the brown one on right now, although it doesn't really go on very brown. It's kind of more of a darker, kind of closer to black, maybe like dark chocolate maybe. I'm not sure, but it's not exactly black. Okay, so the next thing in Wet n Wild, they have really good contour palettes. This is it's discontinued, but it's the Peach and Glow Trio. I've actually been using this and I'm kind of mixing them all together because it kind of creates like this nice peachy kind of color for like a blush. Let me kind of swatch it in a better swatch area for you. So this is what it kind of looks like all swirled together. So beautiful. So that is like something really great from them. And then obviously their Reserve Your Cabana is like just a phenomenal highlight. It has SPF in it, so it's like really nice to put like on your décolleté area for like some shimmer, but also some so it has SPF 15 in it. It's really, really awesome. something really great to check out for the summertime. So the next brand I'm going to talk about is NYX. NYX has a Angel Veil primer. Amazing. Like, it's in my other room. I forgot to grab it. I just remembered to talk about it, but it's an amazing one to look up. And you can also get NYX at Target, so it's considered drugstore now. Before, back in the day, it was like, it's not drugstore, you can't get it at a drugstore, stop it. But you can get it at a drugstore now. And then they also have amazing blushes. So I have the shade Rose Garden and Peach. These are super, super beautiful. They're just, I mean, for drugstore blushes, I was thinking, I don't have a lot of drugstore blushes. And then I was going through my collection to do this video. I was like, and then they also have beautiful, beautiful. And then also something to check out is their contour palette, which y'all know I love this. It's just an amazing, it's just something that I just can't always go back to. So NYX also has really great lip products. I don't have anything with me right now because I've since kind of passed those along because I haven't bought anything from them in a while. But we all know NYX is great, and something we can't forget about is NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. It's a great primer. It'll make your shadows pop incredibly, and you can't go wrong with their jumbo pencils. It's really awesome. So the next thing I'm going to go for is two brands that are smaller but cheaper, but still quite amazing. So Jordana, you can get this at Walgreens. They have amazing, amazing blushes. This is the Touch of Pink, Redwood, and Rose Silk. So these are what they look like. And then they also have amazing, amazing liners and lip products. And they also have amazing lip products. Their lip liners are just something to check out. You can't go wrong with a Jordana lip liner. And you're gonna not be out very much money if you don't like it, because it's like $3.99. Like, for how amazing this brand is and how inexpensive it is, it's just top notch. So Jordana, something definitely to check out. And then Clean Color, you can get this off Shop Miss A, I do believe, and then there's some other websites. Amazon for sure, but I have their blushes. If you watch any of my declutters, these blushes are quite old, but I still love them. I love the packaging, the color range, and the price range. So I have the Clean Color Mish Chick blushes. They look like this, they're kind of bubbled. They're really fun. And then Clean Color has really nice nail polish too. Nail polish is kind of one of those things, it's personal preference, but they have really beautiful nail polishes that are inexpensive, and they have them on Shop Miss A. This is not sponsored by Shop Miss A, but you know, it could be. But so if you guys have anything to share, or any like brands that I didn't mention in here that I'm not sure I know about, please comment below. Don't be afraid to comment below. Let's talk about this. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so we can talk more cruelty-free products, do cruelty-free tutorials, and go from there. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Have a good one.